How to use CapCut templates. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can use CapCut templates. Well, using CapCut templates is pretty simple and pretty easy. All you gotta do is you wanna proceed to open up CapCut, and here now you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Head over to the templates tab at the bottom of your screen. You can see edit, templates, AI lab, projects, and me. Head into templates and now select the template that you like to use. You can also see for you can see daily life, you can see pro features ones. You can select it. Once you select it, you want to tap on use template, and now you want to select the clips according to it. So select the number of clips required. You can also edit the timing by tapping on the particular clip and editing the timing, what part you want of the video to be played of the clip. And once you have done so, you want to tap on next and it will start loading up your template. So this way you can see now you can simply tap on export and export it once it is done and the smooth slow motion effect is added. So it's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.